Hello, everybody. It's Big Cheds. This is part of the daily education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. You can find me, of course, on Twitter at Big Cheds and, of course, on Bitcoin Live. We're going to start out with a tweet from just a couple of days ago. Bitcoin 4H high and tight, looking for a breakout and SMA 200 recapture. So 4 hour is the 4H that tells you the time frame. High and tight. So what does high and tight mean? So this is a classical charting term. Oftentimes after an advance, the price will begin to consolidate. And sometimes the price will consolidate right near the peak of the move. That's high and tight. That means the price is retaining the gains from the prior advance. This is right here. Move up, consolidating high and tight, as opposed to in the middle third of the move or even giving it up all the way to the bottom third of the move. So Bitcoin here was doing a high and tight consolidation on the 4 hour, looking for a breakout because this was bullish price structure and an SMA 200 recapture. What is an SMA? SMA is, again, a simple moving average. The blue line is the SMA 400 in this case. And looking for a recapture, the consolidation just below the 4 hour, just below the moving average, preparing for a breakout. We see how the price had just rejected previously, rejected here in the initial impulse after the range low sweep and recapture, and we had consolidation just below the SMA 200. Now we have on the 4 hour bands slowly starting to tighten as price consolidates just below 109K overhead level. So here on the 4 hour, after this strong move, this volatile move, the bands reacted and they expanded. And now since the price is consolidating, the bands are slowly starting to tighten. We may eventually get to some type of a squeeze or some type of a Bollinger pinch, which I will cover in another video. But that's telling you that we're heading towards a tightening range. Watch for that range to get even tighter to suggest when we're going to break out from it. And we are consolidating just below the breakout level being the lower high just above. So the price breaks out, consolidates as the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten just below the breakout level. That's what this means. This is, of course, part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel. You can find me, of course, Twitter at Big Cheds and on Bitcoin Live. Folks, thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.